Hello everyone, how are you today? How is your health? Let's begin our English lesson. Is everybody to start? Teacher Abdraym kızı Nurjamal, grade 8, lesson 9b. How are you today? I'm happy today. I am sleepy today. I'm fine today. I am okay today. Good. You are maybe good today. You are maybe okay today. Okay, now we will listen one song. This song is called Hello, How Are You? If you want, you can sing together.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm great, I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm happy, I'm wonderful today. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm tired, I'm bored, I'm okay. I'm angry, I'm very sad today.
Okay, I hope you are okay today. Before beginning the lesson, I wanted to ask from you some questions. What are you going to do tomorrow? For example, I'm going to watch TV. I am going to help my mom. I am going to visit my friends. Now open your exercise copybook and write down 3 sentences. What are you going to do tomorrow? Today our new theme is to be going to or going to. We use going to talk about plans for the future. For example, I'm going to visit my cousin this weekend. He's going to visit his cousin this weekend. As you know, it has 3 forms: affirmative forms, interrogative forms, and negative form. Affirmative form. In affirmative form, the first we use subject, then to be, going to, and infinitive. If your subject I, you can use to be am, then going to, and infinitive. For example, I am going to play, you are going to study, he, she, it is going to work, we are going to eat, you are going to try, they are going to cook. You can write this one into your grammar copybook. Then make up sentence using affirmative form. What are you going to do tomorrow? This is question forms or interrogative forms. In the interrogative forms, our to be should be at the beginning of the lesson. For example, to be, subject, going, then infinitive. Let's read one sentence. Am I going to play? Is she going to work? Are you going to eat? Good. You can make up 3 sentences into your exercise copybook, and you can write these rulers into your grammar copybook. This is negative form. For every negative sentences, you can use not. Subject, to be, not, going, infinitive. Let's read one sentence. I am not going to play. If your subject she, you can use is. She is not going to study. If your subject they, you can use are. They are not going to eat. Okay, you can write this rulers into your grammar copybook. Here given subjects, then to be, rulers of going to. WH question plus is, am, are, plus subject, plus going to, plus infinitive. For example, what are you going to speak? Where is she going to eat? Why is he going to cry? Singular forms and plural forms. For singular forms, we use am, are, and is. And for plural, we use are. Now you will listen to the conversation. Tick the things that are going to do this weekend. You can open your books. Open your student's book on page 89 and exercise 3. Now you will listen.
Lesson 9B, Exercise 3.
Hi, Zach.
Oh, hi, Amber. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What are your plans for this weekend?
I'm going to go shopping on Saturday morning. I need to buy some new jeans. Do you want to come?
No, thanks. I hate shopping. Anyway, I'm going to study on Saturday morning. We've got an exam on Monday, remember?
Yes, I know. I'm going to study in the afternoon, and maybe on Sunday too. Hey, why don't we meet up on Sunday and study together?
I can't. I'm really busy. I'm meeting my friend Jack at the sports centre on Sunday morning.
Are you going to go swimming?
No, we're going to play tennis.
What about Sunday afternoon?
I'm going to visit my grandparents. We're going to look at photos from their holiday.
Oh, I just remembered. I'm busy on Sunday afternoon too. I'm going to visit my uncle and aunt. We're going to have a barbecue in their garden.
Sounds good. More fun than looking at holiday photos anyway.
What about Sunday evening? Do you want to study together then?
Yes, okay. Let's meet at my house.
I hope you can do this exercise. Now your homework. You will answer for these questions. And here you can see traffic light. For example, in the first picture, this is my best learning because I can make a sentence and I can explain to other pupils. At home, you will finish exercise 1 from your student's book and exercise 2, then grammar builder from your student's book on page 126. Goodbye.